Let's be honest, and everybody wants free items or big discounts on Temu. But here's the problem. Nobody wants to admit. Most people are using the wrong Temu coupon code, and that's exactly why nothing is unlocking. So if your coupon code keeps failing, disappearing, or not applying to your cart, don't worry, it's not your fault. Temu's system is just a lot smarter than people think. Before we break this down, the working Temu coupon code is right here on the screen, and it's also listed in the description and pinned comment, along with a few extra codes Temu is rotating for 2025. Try those if your first attempt doesn't trigger a discount. Now let's fix the real issue. 1. You're entering the code in the wrong place. Temu has multiple input fields, and only one actually activates the code. Go to You, Coupons, redeem and paste it there. Anywhere else, Temu ignores it completely. 2. Your account isn't eligible for the code you're using. Some codes only work for new accounts, certain categories, orders over a minimum amount, limited time events. If your cart doesn't match the requirement, Temu silently rejects the code. 3. Your account is already tagged. If you've used Temu for a long time, some coupon codes won't apply no matter what. But here's the fix. Use a fresh login, new email, or a friend's number, then redeem the code again. It almost always works instantly. 4. You never attach the coupon at checkout. Yes, you must manually tap the coupon in your wallet to apply it. Try the updated code on screen now and tell me in the comments whether it finally applied. I'll reply with a bonus one if you need it.